Welcome to this explainer. Okay, so you know how everyone keeps saying the ground beneath our feet has shifted? Well, it really has. Your job, your daily tasks, honestly, even the way you learn, it's all fundamentally changing. And we're not just talking about getting a faster processor or a shiny new phone. The AI revolution, yeah, it isn't just coming, it has already begun. Right now, there are millions of people all over the world leveraging this exact tech to write, code, design, and literally build businesses at absolutely unprecedented speeds. So the question really isn't if AI is going to change the world anymore. The stakes are actually a whole lot more personal. It comes down to this. Will you learn to use AI before everyone else does? So let's jump right into section 1. Meet Alex, the ordinary office worker. Now, let's look at Alex here. Before AI, Alex's morning is, well, it's a total grind. Drowning in emails, stressing over tight deadlines, working late nights just to barely stay afloat. Sound familiar? Like a lot of us, Alex knew AI was out there, but hadn't actually built a real workflow. But the minute that changes, wow, the contrast is completely staggering. Suddenly, you've got an AI assistant summarizing complex documents, drafting responses, and generating fresh ideas in a snap. Those grueling hours of busy work, they literally vanish into minutes. And here is a crucial reality check for you. Quote, AI isn't replacing people. People who know how to use AI are becoming more productive than people who don't. End quote. This is absolutely key. AI isn't some adversary coming for your job. It is an incredibly empowering tool. Moving right along to section 2, the expanding AI ecosystem, beyond just one tool. See, we aren't just talking about one single app that you download and you're done. We're looking at this massive, constantly evolving ecosystem. For text, you've got tools to summarize docs or draft emails instantly. For visuals, you can generate stunning images or edit video like a pro. And for business, you can literally build whole websites and analyze massive data sets on total autopilot. New products are launching so fast it'll kind of make your head spin. Honestly, the real challenge isn't finding AI anymore. It's figuring out which of these tools will actually move the needle for you. Right now, brings us to section 3, your guide to AI, cutting through the noise. Navigating this crazy landscape is exactly why we're doing this. Every single week, we're going to explore this ecosystem together. We'll be breaking down new AI tools, setting up automation workflows, and building real productivity systems. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a creator, we've got you covered. You can expect totally honest comparisons, real hands-on demonstrations, and highly practical tutorials. We want to uncover those hidden gems that actually save you time and, drive revenue. Right now, here is our core promise to you for this journey. Number 1, no hype. Number 2, no confusing jargon. Seriously, we are not going to drown you in a sea of technical terms. Right now, importantly, only AI that genuinely helps you work smarter, period. That's the whole shebang. Right now, learning this stuff is a journey of compounding returns. It's like a giant puzzle. You start simple, right? Maybe just using an AI assistant to write your daily emails. But then you level up and use it to edit your videos. Next thing you know, you're using it to organize deep research. And ultimately, you're completely automating entire blocks of repetitive work. You go from just using a handy tool here and there to running a fully automated AI-powered workflow. Look, artificial intelligence is not some sci-fi futuristic concept anymore. AI is the present. It is happening right now, in real time. And the early adopters who master this today, they are going to have a massive, undeniable advantage tomorrow. So I leave you with this ultimate question. Are you ready to build your AI workflow one tool at a time? We are so excited to be your guide on this journey. One tool, one workflow, one explainer at a time. Welcome to the future. Let's get to work. Right now,